Hey everybody, Michael Snyder, California Weather Watch. Today is July 14th, and right now we are looking at the combination of Doppler radars here across the southwest USA. You can see we've got some ongoing thunderstorms here across California this morning, and that was the case yesterday as well. We're going to continue to do this for the next day or so as well. Even a severe thunderstorm risk here across portions of Arizona highlighted in this green box here. The lighter green is showing where the SPC thinks the best chance of thunderstorm activity will be for the area today. We're going to dive into these details here as we go through the video this morning, starting with taking a look. Let's take a look here at the visible satellite imagery starting yesterday morning. You can see the thunderstorm activity across some of the desert areas, out over the coastal waters and even across the Sierra Nevada, and a couple of them try to drift out over some of the valley areas as well. So if we scroll through yesterday, you'll see all this lightning kick off, especially across the Sierra Nevada there. And as we go through the afternoon hours, you see that continue overnight, even across some portions of California, off to the north and east of Las Vegas. And then we scroll on in towards this morning. You see we still have ongoing storms here across some of the foothills of the Sierra Nevada and even out over some of the coastal waters at times. And you can see this cluster of thunderstorms riding across the transverse range as we speak as well. So yeah, the door is open for this monsoon moisture. You can clearly see it in place. The good news is it's suppressing the heat a little bit here as we go, but we're probably going to build the heat back again as we go through next week. We'll take a look at that in some detail here in a moment. Taking a look at the mid-level water vapor, if I scroll starting yesterday morning, you can really see this very weak troughing here, and the high pressure system is now moved across more of the southwest here, versus when we had the dominant heat, it was more centered over California. So as it slides off to the east there, you can see that it does allow this monsoon moisture to ride back up over the area here, and that's where we are right about now this morning. Taking a look here at some of the National Weather Service current hazards, we have red flag warnings here. We still have a couple of excessive heat warnings out there as well, but we've got some pretty severe fire danger going on with a lot of this lightning that is happening right now, because now these thunderstorms are not producing a lot of precipitation. There's some heavier amounts in some of these showers that move across some of the higher terrain here in some portions of Arizona, but for the most part, there's not a lot of precipitation to put out any fire starts that may happen because of that lightning. And you can see Eureka, California National Weather Service calling attention to that as well. Dry thunderstorms today and tomorrow. Risk level overall is minor, but still these can fire up the fires, of course. The lightning strikes are very good at doing that. And it said, again, little to no rain. This is San Diego. You can see, again, for the higher terrain. You can't completely rule one out across the Los Angeles or the San Diego metro area, but definitely better chances across the higher terrain as we go through this afternoon. And this is Las Vegas National Weather Service here. The strong outflow winds are possible for portions of Nevada, the desert areas, and on in through Arizona. Frequent lightning as well. And even a chance for some isolated flash flooding if you do get caught under one of those isolated heavy cells. And this is the thunderstorm chances here across portions of Arizona. It does include Phoenix, and some of the gusty outflow winds could reach 60 miles per hour. There could be some blowing dust with that, and some frequent lightning, of course, and some localized heavy rainfall. So again, looking at what we were talking about yesterday with Las Vegas, we're now at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days of 110 plus. And again, just kind of highlighting the fact that Las Vegas' all-time daily record high was 117 degrees all time, any month, any time of year. And we beat that 1, 2, 3, 4 times just here in a week period. We hit 118 twice, 119, and back on July 7th, we hit 120 degrees. So yes, a historic heat wave here for Las Vegas. And some interesting stuff here on the weather observations. You can see a dust storm that hit on the 12th there, and yesterday officially recorded a thunderstorm at the Las Vegas International Airport. So this is day one fire outlook. And again, this brown hatched area here is showing where the isolated dry thunderstorm activity is supposed to be. This orange is where elevated fire risk exists, and we're going to do this again tomorrow for some areas as well. Now, taking a look at the North American model, this is what the Doppler radar may look like here as we go over the next couple of days. And as we scroll through this afternoon, you can see these storms popping up here. Maybe another round here across the transverse range. Can't rule that out. Sierra Nevada, Northern California, Nevada, desert areas, Las Vegas, Mogollon Rim here, and portions of Arizona as well. And then as we scroll on in through tonight and in towards tomorrow morning, in fact, let me update this because this NAM is coming in hot off the presses here, and I want to see what's going to be going on tomorrow afternoon. You can see it does pop off some showers here across Northern California, Sierra Nevada, and some of the higher terrain desert areas. You're not going to be immune to some more lightning as we go on in through the day tomorrow. And if we look at the high resolution rapid refresh, this is actual lightning flash density potential here. And as we scroll in through this afternoon, you can see we've got plentiful amounts of lightning riding back up over the state here. Hopefully not kicking off too many fires with it, but no doubt will cause some. And as we go through tomorrow afternoon, again, you can see Northern California, Sierra Nevada, towards Reno here, Lake Tahoe. Again, lightning threat will be in place. And if we look at the ground smoke here, actually 8 meters above the ground smoke here on the high resolution rapid refresh, if you're smelling smoke out there, you know, there are quite a few fires here across Southern California. A couple big ones are across Northern California as well. We'll look at some of that fire danger here towards the end of the video as well. Now, taking a look at the lightning density potential here on the European. So this is for today. You can see, again, the European agrees with what the HRRA was saying and what the North American model was saying. Then we go on in through tomorrow, and you can see a little bit less coverage across California here. Still some of the deserts here and the peninsular ranges down into Baja and Sierra Nevada are going to be under the gun. And you can't rule out thunderstorms across Northern California all the way on through Monday afternoon. Then we go on in through Tuesday. Let's see what it says here. You can see it does push off to the east a little bit there, but still the Sierra Nevadas under the gun here up into southern Oregon. And then we go on in through Wednesday afternoon one more time here. You can see pushing off to the east, but you still see this exist across some of Baja in towards the desert areas, Arizona, maybe Las Vegas again, and Nevada. If we take a look at the National Blend of Models daily 2-meter max temperatures, this is for today, and you can see we're still dealing with 104 here for Bakersfield and some areas of the Southern Valley. And we go through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We kind of chop down those temperatures a little bit here. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we start to bounce back that heat a little bit here again. And we'll be watching that as we get a little bit closer to that time frame here as we go towards next week, and we might start to bring that heat back a little bit. But of course, any bit of relief helps. Now, taking a look for today, the L here with the red, that is lightning potential here. So if you scroll in there, you can really see this is pretty widespread across much the state of California and Nevada. Tomorrow, Monday, you see that they don't have it too much here, but we still have thunderstorm potential here. So this may actually get an upgrade as we go through the next as this is updated today, this may be getting an upgrade. But you can see the brown still is moderate risk for fire potential as well. But anyway, yeah, so I know some of you guys are probably hearing that, those lightning strikes and hearing that thunder out there. Hopefully you guys are staying safe and enjoying a little bit of a reprieve from the heat, as some of these clouds can kind of, you know, some of the outflow winds can kind of cut the temperatures down as well as you go through the afternoon hours. Hopefully that's occurring for you as well. But anyway, yeah, we'll continue to cover this, you know, monsoon moisture here as we go through the day tomorrow. Again, stay safe out there. Hope you guys are liking the channel. Click like and subscribe. We'll do this all again tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys then.